The 2025 DX leadership was fun, it was engaging. I enjoyed discussing with the different delegates.
Event so far has been very interesting, energetic. It was an interesting conversation. I've been a part of a few of the panel discussion. I was a part of keynote speaking, and there were a lot of people with diverse kind of IT background, different industry verticals, and it was a pleasure talking to all of them.
Thank you very much to EDX team to inviting me to give a keynote speech today, this morning. The forum is incredible. It's a really professional community of CTOs, CIOs, tech experts in the Philippines, together with the DICT, with the government. So I found it simply incredible, insightful, and impactful event.
So far, so good. Met a good number of clients. I'm able to talk to them. Good environment and opportunity to take advantage of.
Well, in terms of the topic, there's really a big demand for more people to talk about it, which covers not only the technical side of things, but also on the ethical side of things.
Fantastic. There's been a lot of great conversations, not just around digital transformation, but how AI plays a part in that in business.
At this particular EDX forum, I could meet a large network of decision makers, of important stakeholders in tech industry in the Philippines.
Valuable networking opportunity, absolutely. When I spoke to different people, I get to know different diverse industry verticals, different businesses which they are leading. Their IT challenges, their transformation challenges are similar to what our other customers faced, which we kind of worked together and got it sorted out. So in that sense, it was a very engaging discussion. There are a lot of mutual win-win opportunities where we can engage on, and absolutely it was a very interesting discussion.
Inform or meet new people, network with them, and be able to get to know what their plans and pipeline is.
I learned a lot actually from the different delegates. We shared a lot of ideas on how we can move forward with our digital transformation.
It's been really great catching up with people here at the event. Some familiar faces, some new faces, and really great to be able to discuss the challenges they're facing with digital transformation and how technologies like Boomi can assist them along their journey.
I think this forum helps to not only to do digital transformation, but transform mindsets to more global, more impactful way of doing things.
The experience was overwhelming because the kind of diverse insights which has been brought in by different leaders, while we are all talking about technology, but very diverse views which we deliberated on, and that's a huge learning.
Of course, AI is there, but we'll see more developments in AI probably in the future and more use cases.
I'll be looking forward to the next DX forums in the Philippines and in other ASEAN countries. And I'd like to see more potential projects, collaborations, and ideas and programs we can implement together in a common forum.